to reign again. CLP leader Okram Ibobi alleges BJP of forcefully passing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Lok Sabha to rule the country once again. Unite against threatening bill. LJP Minister Karam Sham denounces Citizenship Amendment Bill, urges all political parties to jointly thwart any threat to the state. Upcoming crucial meeting, a mass front political party, a conglomerate of 9 political parties to meet against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 on January 15. An identity crisis. STDC set January 18 as deadline for sending recommendation to Center for Inclusion of Meitei community in Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. First up, former Chief Minister and CLP leader Okram Ibobi alleged BJP of forcefully passing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Lok Sabha to hold the central government once again. The CLP leader was speaking in the one-day block-level political conference organized by Andhra Block Congress Committee at LYCY ground in Yaripok, Top Chingtha today. Okram Ibobi alleged that the bill is a ploy of the BJP to increase Hindu population in India to gain votes. He asserted that communal-centric BJP, which tries to disintegrate the nation, should not be allowed to reign again. The CLP leader assured that Congress party will try its best to prevent passing of the bill in Rajya Sabha. Taking part in the conference, CWC member Gai Khangam strongly condemned the bill. He also clarified that Congress party does not incite any civil society organization or students to protest against the bill. He further urged the BJP government to save Manipur instead of sacrificing lives.
Bangladesh da leiba Hindu sing, Pakistan da leiba Hindu sing, Afghanistan da leiba Hindu sing se sidai da Bharat da laaga chahi tarukku bharati moi Bharat ki pakka nagarik oiba yani hai. Adu marui na di moine attempt tawrisi Hindu ngakta neba. Sikh kumba Buddhist kumba dudi masing yaw na tieba chama da ama leiba na tieba moi dudi. Adu Hindu ngakta hairane na Sikh Buddhist panjan bai waneba. The Muslim di chamak pa yarwe. Sikh kari no ba si moina tawriba saso si kari no ba sineba akoina haijaribse. Adu Masibu Manipur da leiba BJP isinau sing khangibra khangdabra moina majority phangena nampu da pass tawrisibo Congress da inthal laga tawrini hairine moje Bangladesh.
Minister Karam Sham of LJP has denounced a Citizenship Amendment Bill as a major threat for the people of Manipur, even though one BJP spokesperson has assured that the bill poses no threat. The minister is short of trying his best in ensuring that Manipur is protected. He was speaking at the sidelines of Singju Festival at Sangai Tel Park today. Responding to Impact News query, Minister Karam Sham declared his unconditional support for the people if the bill is ever forcefully passed in the Rajya Sabha. He disclosed that even the LJP Central President and Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan has been apprised on the same. Minister Karam Sham assured that the state government will not forsake the public. He also urged the opposition to stop blaming allied political parties of the ruling government. The minister appealed to all the political parties to unite against implementation of the bill in the northeast states, including Manipur.
Sigi bill se Rajya Sabha da pass tawdanaba Manipur da sanna handanaba koi Union Minister su oriba LJP gi President Ram Vilas Paswan da sabsana khangan gi balai kaiguma namna sasalak bataragadi aisagi amadi Manipur praja gi interest sabsaba phireb amadum lawgani phireb se mafam matam dugi matungina yengani adubo praja ga sabsana saminarga bill se sanna handanaba honabada choba daita ma sungsoi soidina lawguna ba adom doina thamjage Manipur gi praja gi apam gi mayok da sarkar sina kaidongoi de sulai roi aduga masida koi political party sing amaga allegation tawdna amaga thangjannaba wakhalon sti tawdaba phai lairiba koi khudingmaki Manipur praja bu nungsiba ngaktani all political parties sing da jointly adi Manipur praja amadi awanungpok bharat ki leijariba minority wariba lam sing ase kannana honabada daita lomina sen adu ya appeal do adom doina thokjani sigi bill se Rajya Sabha da pass.
Samaj, an organization of Meitei Muslim community, has alleged government of trying to bring a train connectivity in Manipur just to facilitate influx of migrants once the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is fully enforced. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Samaj Chief Advisor Mohammad Riazuddin Aribam strongly condemned the bill as a major threat to natives of northeast states and extended full support to any movement against the bill.
Koi organization asina strongly condemn tawi maramdi masida consilibase Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Paris amadi Christian from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan hariba mafam asdagi lakpa sing asini tasengna harakanda Manipur North East haiba state asida state sing asida sigumba asi chanaraklabadi aikhoibu hana yelhau mi oina lairiba aikoi che mutkiba yabagi akiba lei maramaduna civil societies amadi North East student organization hariba organization sing mayam asina changchalakba khongjang khudingmakta samaj hariba organization asina mapung phana sogatkani.
Northeast Indigenous Peoples Parliament NEIPP has strongly condemned the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, convener of NEIPP, Wangkem Sarachandra, expressed apprehension that the bill, once enacted into an act, will compromise the identity, culture and resources of our Northeast natives. He warned of intense agitation if the bill is not withdrawn at the earliest. Speaking in the meet, NEIPP co-convener Vikram Hanse termed the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 as a draconian bill. He condemned the passing of the bill in the Lok Sabha amid NRC upgrading of Assam. He appealed to all the 272 ethnic groups of Northeast states to unitedly fight against implementation of the bill. NEIPP co-convener N. Lancha warned of demanding political autonomy by Northeast states if the bill is not pulled back.
Parliament masi reconsider taruga central government masi withdraw to godabni haibasi asine kui demands hairiba bill asina ek oina law matamda mi karori mathakta lanjhalaba illegal immigrants sing siuna moibu citizenship India gi oibagi pighiba tarde masina awang pok lamdam sida mapam da sai thoroktana lak payaba aduna aigoigi apipa kanglup oiriba ethnic community sing sigi magi existence da identity da culture da solve payaba adegi koigi lam land and resources sing da maduna aigoi keno yamba impact pir payaba asigi akiba leibasina maram moiduna re NIPP na hairiba bill se masi withdraw to godabni haiba sigi demand si thamman.
Agitation against the recent passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Lok Sabha continues in the state. Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee, Kundrakpam Block Congress Committee and Kundrakpam Block Mahila Congress Committee jointly staged a protest meet at Sagolmang Market in Kundrakpam constituency against the bill today. Taking part in the protest, media coordinator of Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee, B.K. Nandaibam, condemned the bill as a move of the NDA government to extinguish native people of the Northeast states. He called on people of the state to jointly expel the bill. Nandaibam termed it unfortunate that the bill was passed in Lok Sabha at the wake of the ongoing demand for implementation of inner line permit system in the state for safeguarding its indigenous inhabitants.
Narendra Modi Prime Minister na mahang luching ba government sina Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 na si chanarani na yam recently Lok Sabha da pass tawkiba masina North East amasung maruai na Manipur da leijari ba masing yam jada ba praja singda miyam da mitop miyan chama akchangla kanda aikoi gi hana leijari ba jelhomi jing mut pa ya ba gi singma phiba mamalak pasida aikoi masi rajniti gi wafam nate hauji hauji Manipur miyam na changsilliba khongjang asida khunrapang kendra gi miyam su saruk yari Manipur gi yelhomi sing mut pa yaroi haibe stand sida aikoi chapchana thengnagani
Mayauron dai leijariba yelhomi haibase muthanabagidamag ngasigi BJP sarkarna North East India amadi Manipur gi yelhomi bu uchat thawaidaba simak akoi khudimana condemn tawjari ngasimak Manipur gi BJP sarkarna masimak yaningde haibase phongdokpiro tumina leisanbino ngasigi sarkar se akoi pende sarkar ama paibada matik chade mapi mapa ama oina asigumba thabak se tawhaningde akoi ngasi changjaliba khonsanga se BJP lengak ron makhoi khudimaki ju yauri bani haibase mayek sengna khangbi.
JCLPS organized a sit-in at Singjumai Market against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today. Various placards against the bill were displayed during the protest. Speaking to media, JCLPS convener Sapam Chardalev demanded an immediate midnight assembly session to take measures against the bill. He asked the government not to remain idle after constructing markets and overbridge. Dilip also asked if the ongoing development projects are for migrants.
Prime Minister na tang manida hek lamba numit asida silchar da lauthom maga loinana Lok Sabha da hairiba bill se pass tawgani haibaga loinana hojikti pass tawgre adana Rajya Sabha gi leiningai talak asida amasung aikoi gi hairiba bill asina ek ondingi gi tan kak asida aikoi gi state government na miyam gi oiba voice asi puraga miyam gi oiba apamba sigi basis ta Manipur State Assembly na wareb lauraga central government da akan batakna bama masi pami adu karigma natragati Manipur da hanadagi haudana lakpa akan ba ihawado aduri hena akan ba khongjang mayam ama agitation mayam ama Manipur gi miyam humna sangselakpa taragati soidan maki mairupidi gi majau bi haugani.
Representatives of All India Student Federation AISF Manipur State Council will be leaving for Delhi on January 15 to submit a memorandum against a Citizenship Amendment Bill to the President. Speaking to media at AISF office BT Road today, AISF MSC Secretary KH Rameshwar said AISF MSC, All India Youth Federation, Manipur State Council and AISF National Council will jointly agitate against the bill at major places of Delhi. He also condemned Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimim Bhavananda for remaining silent on the issue.
BJP na let tauba akhoi NDA sarkar asina dictatorial oiba mongda akhoi gi praja sing akhoi gi lengak furup macha sing je akhoi muthatna ba yam kanna khona ba haitare haukiba atal biari baspa gi matam da su June 19 tho kanda mi me ama misi mina nangan gi ba leigrabani mamang da loinana handak su muk Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi matam da Citizen Amendment Bill je akhoi gi pass tawala kanda notice ta leiriba amadi khoi Manipur da leiriba furup sing se khoi pu muthat pagi khoi pandamam da changjal bane na Assembly President Council mai kadi lowe khoi dictatorial loiba khoi gi saswan sina khoi gi leibak praja miyam da suki matik awaban nanghan ba adagi freedom of speech ki wahan thok leisalakta ba sigumba khudingmak sing ase Assembly President Council mai kadi oppose tawi.
Mass Front political party, a conglomerate of 9 political parties, namely CPI, CPIM, Forward Bloc, JDS, NCP, Aam Aadmi Party, Praja, BSP and RSP will convene a crucial meeting against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 on January 15. Speaking to media at Iravad Bhavan, BT Road today, CPI Secretary Laisham Sotin Kumar said, to say that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 will not affect Manipur if present since the Manipur People Bill 2018 is making fool out of the public. He assures that the Mass Front political party will urge the centre and national leaders not to pass the bill in the Rajya Sabha. Sotin Kumar condemned the silent treatment meted by the BJP state government regarding the threatening bill. He mocked the decision of the recent state cabinet meeting to urge the centre for exempting Manipur from the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Sotan Kumar urged the state government to call a special assembly session at the earliest to take decision against the bill. Taking part in the meet, Praja representative N. Popilal asked Shorty from the concerned BJP spokesperson, whose recent statement on the media assures that the bill will not harm Manipur. He also alleged ministers and MLAs recently visited New Delhi to attend the BJP's convention and not to apprise central leaders on people's concerned over the bill. Popilal demanded Rajya Sabha MPs Khetri member Vananda and MC Merikom to firmly stand against a bill which is yet to be passed in the Rajya Sabha.
Bharat lengang asugumba Manipur People's Protection Bill se ayaba pirakadu sumande. Sugumba lurba tanjamada mahaki cabinet khaki warep lorba kanda Citizenship Amendment Bill se sandarakpada Manipur konchen biganu haibugumba. Oiroi daba warep Bharat ki Parliament pass tagorba adu bill amabu Bharat apumbagi one sandarakada bill amabu Manipur konchen biganu haibasi tabada yam nokningba wafam amani. Ekoi political party punamana pami leipa asida oire film kaya singa se leipa asim mai hona sala abanina political party punamak ase Party Punamakna, upon War Emma Lodana, Bharat Lengakta, Citizenship Amendment Bill se, Masisana and Bigano, Ekoi Pamjade, I will say, Hivam to end power. Madunga Siki Sarkars and Powdry. Sumba Arubi Suma Lapatamda, Garino Assembly Kaudriba. Assembly Kudak the Koraga, Aduba Assembly no Warep Lodana, Citizenship Amendment Bill, Janabayaro have a say, Masil Simukayam Hibam Toy. Bharat Lenganasu, assume.
Sip Sena Thoubal district today stays a sit-in demanding to take necessary action against sand acquiring at Thoubal River. Taking part in the protest meet held at Thoubal Mela ground, President of Sip Sena Manipur, Moirangthem Tombi, condemned the state government for not taking appropriate measures till date despite repeated pleas by the residents. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Manipur organized one-day meet to discuss on the inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution at the GM Hall today. Leaders of various civil society organizations took part in the meet. The meeting urged the state government to send recommendation for the same at the center by January 18. They also warned of various measures including 24-hour statewide general strike on January 21st and 22nd if their demands are not met. Speaking to media, Secretary of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committees, W. Ananda said, Meiteis are eligible for including in the Scheduled Tribe list as per Article 342 Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution. He also said the Indian government notified the state government to submit ethnographic and social-economic report for the inclusion in 2013. However, no actions were taken up. Working President of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur, Moirangthem Nongdalen Khomba, President of the committee, Wangkhem Sarachandra, President Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Assam, Yunam Mohendra were present in the meet.
Maitena kan masa kan janaba masa ngak thok janaba masa gi haurak se kan laga ngak lainabai damakta ngasi di ingna tabna haina singnaraga yabagi movement do adugi khongthang tawraga ngasi boba koi changchalaga lakpani agitation tawdringai ban tawdringai da ningthina wari sanaraka anda issue ba loisansi aibagi CM gi appeal ai koi taraga lai CM na sahi amaga makai pharabasi phawbada maga anirak unarba phawbada SG list chanabagi recommendation ama government media da uje phawba thada ba haise masina takpadi aikoi si maiho langpok akai atoi ban general strike se phongna chief minister na certify tawraga pibani maramoduna ngasigi numisigi matung dagi de aduguba thabak thong mayam se mathang naina sathar ani madaida miyam na awaba khangbado tungi aikoi Kunaisi amadi purupsi kannabagi ni haibase thajaba thambibaga loinana madara saruk yabius maitaina.
Security has been beefed up ahead of Republic Day in Imphal City. As a part of the security measures, a police commando team under the supervision of additional SP operation of Imphal West Police, TH Krishnatombe, carried out cordon and search operation in Thangal Bazaar from 7:50 to 8:45 this morning. 518 individuals were verified during the drive, and 28 individuals without proper identification probes were picked up for further verification. A combined team of 26 sector Assam Rifles More Battalion and More Police apprehended an overgrown worker OGW or Proscribe KYKL from More Ward number 7 on January 11. The arrested is identified as Mohammad Rajauddin alias Apikpa Laifam from Sora. Smuggled sandalwood weighing 61 kg, 53 gram, 2 Axis Bank ATM cards, 2 SIM cards and cash amount of 11,400 Myanmarese kyat and 1 identity card were recovered from him. PRO of Assam Rifles in a press release informed that the culprit was handed over to More Police Station for further investigation. After the break, we bring you news on Pearl Ningthaujam, a Class 9 student of Ananda Purna School, winning the Best Model Award at Eastern India Science and Engineering Fair 2019. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Pearl Ningthaujam, a Class 9 student of Ananda Purna School, Thoubal, was accorded the Best Model Award during the Eastern India Science and Engineering Fair 2019 in Kolkata. The fair was held at Kolkata's Birla Industrial and Technological Museum from January 8 to 12. His guide, Sapam Swaminath, was conferred with Best Teacher Guide in the Science Fair. Lansen Hungyo, a student of Fungyar Higher Secondary School, Bandana Saubam, a student of JNV Kumbong, and Taurem Yaipabi, a student of Brighter Academy, New Chekon, were also accorded special prizes for their science models displayed during the Science Fair. Winners of the 8th district level combined mathematics and science preparatory competitive examination 2018-19 organized by the Muslim Students Development Organization MSDO were felicitated today. MLA Kangabok or Surya Kumar presented prizes to the winners in the event held at Sangai Yumpham Higher Secondary School in Thoubal district. Blossom School, Moirangkom and Changangai held its 15th kindergarten graduation ceremony and felicitation program at the school premises today. HSLC examination 2018 topper from the school, Basil Sagaijam, was accorded Irom Chatrajit Singh Memorial Academy Excellence Award 2018. He was presented with 30,000 rupees cash, a trophy and a citation. Graduation certificates were also handed over to 125 kindergarteners. MLA Patsoi A.K. Mirabai, advisor of Blossom School Management Committee, Laitangdem Ibomcha and staffs of the school took part in the function. A book entitled Ethnomedic Geological Study and Biochemical Analysis of Certain Animals Found in Manipur, co-authored by Dr. K. Khamba and Dr. O. Gijendro, was released on January 11th. Lambert Academy Publishing Germany is the publisher of the book. Manipur College Teachers Association organized a book releasing event at the conference hall of the college. Principal of Manipur College, Dr. R.K. Radhakishore, MCTA President N.G. Manaranjan, and Head of the Department of Geology, Manipur College, T.H. Ruhini, attended the event. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham today inaugurated the 10-day Fort Singju Festival 2019 at Laila Sangaitel Park in Imphal West District. Singju Festival 2019 Organizing Committee under Singju Yokhatbalop SYOL organized the festival with an aim to preserve Manipur's popular indigenous side dish, Singju, and to unite all the communities of the state. However, few people gathered in the opening day of the festival today. Various entertainment programs, legal awareness programs, and blood donation camp will be held tomorrow. The organizing committee also stated that various competitions relating to Singju will be held during the festival. MLA Oinam L. Radhakishore presented 5 bundles of roof sheets to villagers of 4 Kabui village in Oinam constituency on the occasion of Gangai, the largest festival of Kabui community. MLA Radhakishore handed over the items to village chiefs of the Kabui village, Kaino Ayokpa Kabui village, Taubul Kabui village, and Koijuman Kabui village. Speaking in the event, Radhakishore emphasized on the inseparable bond of Kabui and Meitei community. Bijoy Govinda Naharol Shingel Seba Marup organized one-day free mega health camp sponsored by Health Minister L. Jayantakumar at Keshamthong High School today. 30 doctors checked up many people and provided free medicines in the camp. Speaking in the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that the camp was held to specially comfort senior citizens in the area. Rifle jointly organized a free medical camp at Kamjong and Beru Khudem villages in Chandal district yesterday. An awareness camp was also held on the occasion. Various treatment facilities were provided during the camp. Now the sports news. Manipur gained 3 medals, including 1 gold on the 6th day of Khelo India Youth Games at Pune yesterday, as Nirupama bagged gold medal in 64 category weightlifting event for under 21 girls. Nirupama lifted a total weight of 196 kg, 84 kg in snatch, and 112 kg in clean and jerk event to win the gold. While in 64 kg category, K. Roshilata lifted a total weight of 186 kg, 86 kg in snatch, and 100 kg in clean and jerk to back a bronze medal, while N. L. Rubina bagged a silver medal to judo event for under 21 girls in 57 kg category. Oriental Martial Art and Cultural Association in a press release informed that the 2-day first Imphal West district level JB tournament 2019 will be held at Singjamai Leshangtem Community Hall on January 27 and 28. Interested Thangta organization, clubs and association may contact the association before January 27. PALYC Fundray and UFC Moijing defeated their respective opponents in Group B matches of the second Hanif Shah State Level Manipur Muslim Football Tournament 2019. In the sixth match of tournament played yesterday, PALYC Fundray thrashed SYDO Pobitek by 5-0. While in another match, UFC Moijing beat SSC Porompat by 1-0. Orific Table Tennis Academy's residential free winter table tennis coaching camp since December 16, 2018 concluded today. A total of 40 players participated in the camp held at NYVO Community Hall, Ningom Thongjao. Attendees in the valedictory event encouraged the young players to excel in table tennis and bring laurels. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Ploy to reign again. CLP leader Okrami Bobi alleges BJP of forcefully passing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Lok Sabha to rule the country once again. Unite against threatening bill. LJP Minister Karam Sham denounces Citizenship Amendment Bill. Urges all political parties to jointly thwart any threat to the state. Upcoming crucial meeting, Mass Front Political Party, a conglomerate of 9 political parties to meet against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 on January 15. An identity crisis. STDC sets January 18 as deadline for sending recommendation to Center for Inclusion of Meitei community in Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution.